I am Rupal Gupta. Welcome back to mathematics classes. Today we are going to solve the exercise 3.1. In fact, in our previous classes we have already solved most of the questions. हमने जो भी कॉन्सेप्ट प्रीवियस वीडियो में पढ़ाया है उसका यूज कर एक्सरसाइज 3.1 के कुछ क्वेश्चंस ऑलरेडी सॉल्व कर चुके हैं. Now, this is the exercise 3.1. यहाँ पर 4 questions दिखाए गए हैं. And here we have 3 more questions. Let us solve these questions. In question number 1, we have been given figures and based on this, we need to classify each figure as simple curve, simple closed curve and different types of polygons. In the first video, where we have covered curve in detail. In that lectures, we have talked about what are curves and its types. Open curve and closed curve. After watching this video, you would be able to classify these figures as simple, complex and simple closed curves. Please do watch that lecture. Links are available in the description. To classify these figures in different types of polygon, like convex and concave polygon, please do watch our video on classification of polygon, where we have discussed this concept in detail. In fact, हमने 3 different methods cover किए हैं, जिनका आप यूज करके किसी भी पॉलीगॉन को आप बता सकते हैं whether it is a convex or concave polygon. Other than that, we have also covered regular and irregular polygon in depth. Links are available in the description. In the polygon video, we have covered what are the main 4 points that one should keep in mind while marking a figure as polygon. We have also defined the diagonal and how to find the number of diagonals can be made in a given polygon, जिसका यूज हम क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 को सॉल्व करने में कर सकते हैं, जिसमें हमें डिफरेंट फिगर्स में कितने diagonals हैं बताना है. We have also discussed about the naming of a polygon. What are the prefixes that can be used to name different polygon based on the number of sides, जो कि यूजफुल होगा यहाँ पर क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 को सॉल्व करने में. यहाँ हमें नंबर ऑफ साइड्स गिवन है और हमें पॉलीगॉन का नेम बताना है. लिंक्स डिस्क्रिप्शन में अवेलेबल है. काइंडली डू वॉच इट. In question number 3, we have to measure the interior angles in a convex and concave quadrilateral. और फिर हमें कंपेयर करना है कि क्या दोनों ही केसेस में एंगल सेम होंगे. हमने एंगल सम प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ क्वाड्रिलेटरल में प्रूव किया है कि कैसे सम ऑफ ऑल इंटीरियर एंगल्स इन क्वाड्रिलेटरल में 360 डिग्री होता है और ये सम कॉन्वेक्स एंड कॉन्केव क्वाड्रिलेटरल के लिए सेम होगा या नहीं. टू सॉल्व द क्वेश्चन नंबर 6A and B, we can use this property. How to use it? Kindly do watch this lecture. Question number 4 is based on the fact that how many triangles we can fit into a polygon, and from there we can find the sum of interior angles in that polygon. In this lecture, we have generalized how to find a number of triangles in a n-sided polygon. We have derived the formula to find out the total interior angles in any polygon. Here, the part C and D in question number 6 can be solved by using angle sum property of polygon. In the lecture, we have even covered few tricky questions like अगर हमें एंगल सम गिवन है तो उस टोटल सम ऑफ एंगल्स के लिए क्या कोई पॉलीगॉन पॉसिबल है या नहीं, and many more questions. Please do watch this lecture to understand more. To solve the question number 7, we can use the angle sum property of triangles. We have already proved it in this lecture. We have part A and we need to find the sum of angles x, y and z. We know that sum of all angles in triangle is 180 degree. This side of triangle we can easily find by taking sum of 30 and 90 degree and then subtracting it from 180 degree. यहाँ हमें इस एंगल की वैल्यू 60 मिल जाएगी। यहाँ x, y and z एंगल्स एक लीनियर पेयर्स में हैं with 90, 60 and 30। क्योंकि ये एक स्ट्रेट लाइन पर है इसलिए दोनों ही एंगल्स का सम 180 डिग्री होगा। So x plus 90 would be equal to 180 degree and then x होगा 90 degree. Similarly, we can also find y and z. We get them as 120 and 150 degrees. If we take the sum of all these angles, we get x plus y plus z equal to 90 plus 120 plus 150. So we get 360 degrees. Here, we can use the angle sum property of quadrilaterals. We know that एक क्वाड्रिलेटरल के सारे एंगल्स का सम 360 डिग्रीज होता है। So, हम यहाँ के एक मिसिंग एंगल्स को इजीली फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं। अगर तीनों गिवन एंगल्स का सम लेकर 360 से माइनस करें तो हमें फोर्थ एंगल एज 100 डिग्रीज मिल जाएगा। जैसे हमने लास्ट क्वेश्चन में किया, यहाँ पर भी x, y, z एंड w एंगल्स की वैल्यू इजीली फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं एज x एंड 120 डिग्री दोनों ही लीनियर पेयर्स हैं तो दोनों का सम 180 डिग्रीज होगा। Hence, we can easily get x as 60 degrees. Similarly, we can easily find out that y, z and w would be 100, 120 and 80 degrees respectively. And the sum of all these angles would be again 360 degrees. These are all called as the exterior angles. Now, is it a mere coincidence that in both cases we get 360 degrees? We will try to find out this in our next video, where we will try to find out the sum of all the exterior angles in a different sided polygon. As यहाँ पर हम already triangles and quadrilateral के exterior angles का sum find out कर चुके हैं। Thank you for watching this lecture. If you like this video, please do support us by subscribing this channel. We will produce more animated educational videos like this. We will mainly focus on fundamentals and in building the required concepts so that you can easily solve your own exercise problem. And not only from CBSE but from other boards also, including ICSE and different state boards. If you have any doubts regarding exercise questions, kindly do comment below. We will surely help you. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe, take care.